How to download Creative Cloud desktop app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store and log into your account. Then go to search bar and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. After you find Adobe Creative Cloud, click on it. You'll find Get option in here. Simply click on Get and your Adobe Creative Cloud will be installed. After install, you can simply go to search bar and search for Adobe Creative Cloud and then open the app and use it. That's how you download Creative Cloud desktop app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.